Scotland's iconic landscapes and rugged coastlines have been shaped by the elements over countless millennia. Our foundations, the rocks beneath our feet, hold the secrets of the past and the keys to our future. The Scottish Geology Festival 2021 will be making a splash this autumn for Scotland's Year of Coast and Waters. Join the Scottish Geology Trust Beach Pebble events all around Scotland's coastline to explore the stories hidden in the stones and find out how they can lead us to a more sustainable future.